can you tell us a little bit about how how this thing directly sends and receives a message from the CAN, the OBD?
So the OBD plug, it has CAN high, CAN low wires. So when you connect, it is nothing but your OBD is already hooked onto the CAN bus. So you when you're completing the connection, you are basically hooking onto the CAN bus. So whenever a message is being sent on the CAN bus, so you start receiving on the CAN high, CAN low onto your laptop or any device that you have connected. And also in a car, there will be periodic messages, the status that will be being sent from various ECUs. Say for example, the status of the engine or the status of the fuel or the RPMs at which the car is running. So these messages you can start receiving.
Okay. Does it mean theoretically with OBD-Port, theoretically you can reach any ECUs in the car?
Pretty much yes, but there will be some security for the very important ECUs, and if you can get the secured access, you can reach any ECUs in the car.